Okay, for 138, they want us to use this function, right? It's kind of hard to see in the online one, not this one, right? That's just for the example. So then they want us to do A, B, C, and D. So they want f of x plus 3. So that's going to equal, f of x is x plus 1 squared minus 3. And then we want the plus 3, right? Plus 3. Because this part right here is f of x, right? And then that's that. And then the plus 3, right, if I'm color coding here, is this, right? So this simplifies down to x plus 1 squared. And then minus 3 plus 3 cancels out, and you could leave it in that form if you want. For B, they want f of 3x, right? So we're going to substitute a 3x anywhere we see an x. So we get x plus 1, but it's 3x plus 1 squared minus 3. And again, they're leaving them in this format, so we can leave it in that format. I would say that you would want to simplify, right? But okay, and then for C, let me make some space. Let's clear this. C, we have 3 times f of x, right? So that's just 3 times, all right, this, right? X plus 1 squared minus 3. 3 times that whole thing there. So if I distribute, right, I get 3 times x plus 1 squared minus 9. Okay, again, these are not simplified, but we're leaving them the way they'll match up with the answer guide. And then D, let me make some space. D is f of x plus 3. So that would be, again, we're substituting in x plus 3 wherever we see an x. So that would be x plus 3 plus 1 squared minus 3. So that would be x plus 4 squared minus 3. And that syncs up with the way the answers are in the guide.